Good evening everyone, welcome again to this new session. In this session we will discuss about euro finance, and also I will give you, can say, not teaching you, some ways of making money by simply trading the levels which appears in the charts. So guys, there is some other forms that appears nowadays beside the one you know already in the technical analysis, like the head and shoulders, like the triangles, and sometimes the wage, and many more. Now all this kind of forms are used against the traders, not every day but most of the time. Okay, so what I mean by that is we have to understand, guys, the new market conditions and the new way of trading. That's why we created this channel to help you identify market conditions and also make money using the algorithmic levels, and also trade like the institutions and like a smart minds. So guys, I want you to understand many things in this video, so please focus with me and you can write down each and every single word, which is, of course, if it's important to you. So guys, here we have the low of the week and the high of the week, and which is also represent two candles. Okay, represent two candles, powerful candles. So if we go back to the technical analysis, okay, we can, based on technical analysis, we have a bullish engulfing and then a confirmation of bullish engulfing. So what happens inside the market when we see this? Many traders, okay, and also unfortunately big traders, are going to buy euro finance, okay, and are going to buy this asset. It doesn't matter if it's euro finance too, it doesn't matter. This kind of manipulation happens each and every day. Okay, so when you see this, just please be careful that there is some institutions behind the let's say the market who are willing to buy and willing to sell, depends on the market conditions. So here we can see that the market, okay, starts from this level and now stopped at this level. It's almost 125, 23 or 20%. So people who now have a profit like that, they are willing to sell. Okay, it's more than 100%. So if I bought, for example, $10,000, now I have more than $20,000. Okay, so I should keep my earning, let's say, protected, and then I can buy again when the markets have another new dips. So many people now buy based on technical analysis, but actually there is something natural, which is being greedy or being afraid. So if I, for example, I bought $1 million, now I can see that $1 million turns into $2 million, then I have to sell. Why not? Not even $1 million, even if it's $500. People are like that. They are rushing every day. Okay, they love something very fast speed movements and let's say fast earnings and fast profits. Okay, so if they see an example like that, they will sell. So this is what happens. Okay, this is what happens, guys. Now the market is about to drop, but we should be careful that as long as we have this, okay, we should be careful that the market isn't negative. Okay, the market isn't negative. So we are about to create an accumulation phase like that. Okay, then we can say that after one hit, the market will get, for example, to $4,000 or maybe something like that. Okay, so this is it, guys. When you see this market, this kind of movements, just be careful that there is something happens. Okay, so as long as we have this kind of patterns, people are still interested to buy euro finance too. Okay, still interested. But where is the danger? When can we say we are in the danger? And we can say, okay, we have to stop and we have to rethink again that buying euro finance to actually is something doesn't deserve to take the risk. So it's very simple. We should create another dip or another, corrective wave, then another semi-corrective wave, then another dip. So if we have another low, a low here, a low here, so probably the people or the trader will be convinced that nothing deserves. So we have to do what? We have to stop and we have to get out. So now I will give you where is the probabilities that can the market turn from the, say, from the low to the high, or the vice versa. So guys, just click here, bring the fiber tracement, okay, like that. Okay, sorry. Okay, so back again. So just select the 5 retracements from the way, from the high to the low, and then you can see that the market is trading, okay, or traded inside, or let's say higher than 0.5 or 50% out of this level here. So it's 50% of the wave. When the market starts to engulf more than 50%, you guys should be careful that there is something matters inside the market and people are not willing to get Euro finance. So where is the end of the corrective wave? Trust me guys, we can say that's 0.61, okay, and 0.78. So this is the last time, or not last time, but the last chance guys, that the market could reverse again. So starting from this level to this level to this level, the market can have a probability to go back again and reach another new highs, as long as we are not creating any negative patterns. I mean by simply creating another lower high, okay, like that for example, and like that. So there is a chance. So when you see this, just simply be careful that the market still in good conditions, and I'm telling you that simply not to encouraging you to buy Euro finance, but just simply to prevent shorting, because you will lose your money in one hit, okay? Because when you see this, simply without at least some bearish signals, you are gambling inside a big wave that could lead you to lose all your capital, okay? So guys, just be careful. You can see that the last week we had a bullish signal, so many traders now are convinced to buy the Euro finance too, and probably they could lead the market to another low here, and then they will buy again. So when we can say that everything is negative and we have to be careful, it's very simple guys. You have two solutions and two kind of trading patterns you have to do. First of all, breaking higher than this level here, okay. Okay, sorry, excuse me. Okay, it's like that. We have to change the color in order to keep the appearance attractive. Okay, so breaking higher than this level here, which is the high of the you can say the week, and also the high of this slightly bullish wave, something like that. There is a probability the market could lead into another new highs. So you could place your orders at 2,623, 26 or 23, 24, doesn't matter, or some people call it 2,654, 53, 23, it doesn't matter. I'm talking about higher than the high here, okay. This is the high guys, so you are free to choose another well, it's not another but a specific price to buy without a risk. So why I am telling you that, simply sometimes the market could hit another high, then reverse or gets another, what we call in English, spike high, okay, or high spikes, or we can say for example fake breakouts. So that's why we have to select another higher level, okay, for example like this price here, and we can set our targets to buy there, then we can have a probability to buy. But unfortunately not all the what we call the exchanges can give you this opportunity, because if you place an order to buy at this level, they will give you the exact markets here. So you should use your API and use some specific platforms that gives you this this opportunity and this ability. So this is the first powerful actually way to buy Euro finance too. What is the second? Okay, what is the second way? Second way guys, it's some kind risky, but to wait, okay, and divide your capital from this level to this level. And unfortunately, if the market stops lower than the level here, and I mean by 1,171 or 75, then the market could actually have another new dip, and we can be lower than $1,000. So this is the next support if we break lower than this level, okay, and we could actually use the 5 circles in order to, let's say, have something exact. You can see guys that it is almost the same level, 900, okay. Here also we have 0.61 here, but also okay. So this is the first target guys when the break happens, or the breakouts happens, and this is the second level. Okay, sorry, I think there is nothing left. This is all for Euro Finance too. So now guys, just be careful, do not buy at the moment, okay, as long as we are not having any let's say protected actually waves, and we're still in the downside. If you want guys, you can rely on the moving average like that, but we should add another moving average here. Okay, just follow my instructions, and I promise you guys, you will have a good opportunity to make money. Okay, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I am doing this for free guys. I am teaching you without a penny. Okay, I want you guys to make money, and I want you to learn how to make that. Okay, we don't need to pay thousands of dollars. Okay, especially there is millions of dollars actually already burned inside this market. So I wish we can do something for humanity. Okay, and I wish that everything is blessed. Okay, so guys, here you may ask me why I have 200 at specific settings, which is the high. When you are looking for new resistances, please use the highs. Okay, use the highs. When you are looking to catch supports, please use the lows. Okay, it's very simple. So here you can see, if we modify the moving averages like that, for example, okay, we can see that there is a resistance here. So based on the moving average, we have a specific point, which is 2050. Okay, 2050. So now if we break higher than 2050, we can say, okay, we are now at a specific level to buy again. If not, then the market will retest this level and then fail. So this is, guys, this is nothing really so let's say dangerous or something very let's say hard to understand. This is a basic ways to make money, and very easy. Just comment. Okay, just you have to adhere each and every single advice I am giving you in my channel, and I promise you, you will make a lot of money simply just by commitment. Okay, buy when the market breakouts at some levels, and buy when you have the lows. This is the rules. Buy the lows and buy the breakouts, and I promise you will make a huge money. So guys, this is it for Euro Finance too. Be careful. Okay, this is the first specific point, and this is the second target. If you are trading the futures, maybe you can have good money. If not, just if any, let's say, reversal candle appears here, please stop higher than this level, and then you can short, and you will make some respectable amounts. But remember, the market is in the benefits of the bulls, not the bears. So guys, thank you very much for listening to this session. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also like the videos. Also check the previous one. And I hope you guys follow me on Twitter and share my videos if you like my content. Thank you very much for listening to me. Thank you.